Hey guys, it's Isabelle Guarino-Smith and I am coming to DFW REI Club. I am so excited to be there on August 4th and August 6th to be presenting to your group all about residential assisted living. It's the best real estate investment for the next 20 plus years and you need to get involved. It could be a solution for your own family. It could be a solution for cash flow, time freedom, money freedom. I mean, the options are endless and I want to show you how you can get involved in a very business-friendly state, Texas. I'm super excited to be there. August 4th, we're going to be at your regular monthly meeting at the DFW REI Club. We'll be going over the 3 smartest options to participate and the 5 keys to success in RAL. And then on Saturday, if you want to stick in with me, we're doing a deep dive, baby. I hope to see you there. I'm going to show you the 4 ways to get started in this. It's going to be incredible. We're going to be talking all about Texas. I can't wait to see you then. August 4th, August 6th, DFW REI Club. Get registered now. See you then.